FileNet, a company acquired by IBM, developed software to help enterprises manage their content and business processes. The FileNet P8 platform, their flagship system, is a framework for developing custom enterprise systems, offering much functionality out of the box and capable of being customized to manage a specific business process. Based in Costa Mesa, California, the company markets enterprise content management and business process management solutions in more than 90 countries through its own global sales, services and support organizations, as well as via its ValueNet Partner network of resellers, system integrators and application developers. Open systems. In the early 1990s, FileNet introduced a more open version of its workflow business systems software, the Series 6500. That ran on the IBM RS/6000 platform and the AIX operating system. The networking software utilized TCP/IP but used FileNet's proprietary application protocols. For Olivetti, a special port of the software to System V, Release 4 running on an Intel 80486 multi-CPU Olivetti LSX 5000 platform was developed. With the movement to standard PC hardware running Microsoft Windows, FileNet added support for the PC as a client platform with its Workforce desktop software. Its old workstation line was phased out for standard hardware and software as demanded by the customers. Acquisition of Watermark, Saros and Greenbar. FileNet acquired Saros Corporation in 1995 for its electronic document management. FileNet also acquired Watermark Software, a document imaging solution, Watermark Enterprise and Ensemble, and a Windows-based cold product called Greenbar. This would help FileNet become the first document management company to have a complete integrated document management suite with document imaging, electronic document management, cold and workflow offerings. Around the same time, FileNet delivered their own internally developed entry-level system called Workgroup. The Watermark products were retired by 1999. In the mid-1990s, FileNet's workflow business system had evolved into Visual Workflow, one of the first workflow solutions with a graphical interface for process modeling. Panagon. As a result of their integrated document management strategy, FileNet rebranded the entire product line the original IMS products, the Saros products, and the newly developed client IDM products as the Panagon software suite in 1998. The Panagon suite included the following products: Panagon Image Services, Panagon Content Services, Panagon Report Manager, Panagon Desktop, Panagon Web Services, Panagon eProcess. In January 2001, FileNet released Ascenza as an intra-copyrightee into the applications marketplace. Ascenza was not broadly adopted and was later retired from the market. Development. In January 2002, FileNet announced Bright Spire, an application that was eventually rebranded as FileNet P8 ECM. There are a number of FileNet P8 ECM suites that leverage the experience gained from integrated document management, web content management, and workflow into an integrated enterprise content management platform. In addition, it took the workflow products and further developed analysis and optimization components with the Panagon Process Analyzer and Process Simulator, respectively. This enables organizations to analyze and improve processes. This move took FileNet into the business process management field, and it is regarded as a leader in this growing area. In April 2002, FileNet acquired Bethesda, Maryland-based eGrail Corporation to add web content management to both the Panagon and FileNet P8 ECM families of products. In April 2003, FileNet added eForms capabilities to the Panagon and P8 products with the acquisition of longtime form software vendor Schneider Corporation of Edmonton, Canada. Also in 2003, FileNet extended the P8 suite, extending compliance capabilities with the P8 Records Manager solution, which helps companies solve regulatory compliance and records issues. In 2004, FileNet added Team Collaboration Manager. Built on the P8 platform, it is an out-of-the-box solution that helps organizations to be more agile and competitive by allowing virtual team members to work together across functional and geographical areas. Late in 2005, FileNet acquired Yellowtown Technology Group of Canada, formerly a FileNet ValueNet Partner. This allowed them to further their capabilities in managing different types of content in the FileNet P8 ECM platform with the Email Manager product and furthered their reach into compliance with Records Crawler, formerly known as Universal File Importer or UFI. They also extended their business process management capabilities, releasing the Business Activity Monitor solution, which provides real-time event management and visibility of business performance data to enhance operational responsiveness and decision-making. On August 10, 2006, IBM agreed to acquire FileNet for $1.6 billion in cash. The transaction closed on October 12, 2006. Notes: Schneiderman, RM. IBM buying spree continues with FileNet acquisition. Archived from the original on July 28, 2011. Retrieved July 28, 2011. References. External links. IBM ECM homepage. The FileNet homepage went away in 2007. IBM ECM, FileNet page, lists the IBM FileNet products, IBM software licensing, Gemini eStore, IBM FileNet product pricing and information. Interview with Lee Roberts, CEO and Chairman of FileNet.